Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom end-to-end encryption settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate end-to-end encryption settings in Zoom, start by signing into your Zoom account on the official website. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. In the left-hand menu, locate and select settings. Scroll down to the security section. Look for the option labeled enable end-to-end encryption. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. After enabling, a pop-up window will appear explaining end-to-end encryption. Read the information carefully to understand its implications. Click Turn On to confirm your selection. Next, ensure that you adjust the settings for each individual meeting. While scheduling a meeting, locate the Meeting Options section. Check the box that says Enable end-to-end encryption for this meeting. This setting will ensure that end-to-end encryption is active for this specific meeting. Before the meeting starts, remind all participants to use the Zoom desktop client or mobile app for full encryption. Participants joining through a browser may not experience the same level of security. Inform participants that they may need to update their Zoom app to the latest version to enable encryption. Once all settings are configured, click Save to apply your changes. Your Zoom meetings will now benefit from enhanced security through end-to-end encryption. Remember to review these settings regularly as Zoom updates its features. Stay informed about any changes in Zoom's encryption policies to ensure ongoing security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.